Good morning!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Nilibing na siya kahapon. So yesterday, nag-join na lang ako through video ko. So nung nagmas sa simbahan, nag-video ko ako ganun hanggang sa sementeryo.
It's not red. Mama?
Yeah. Say good morning.
Good morning!
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back
Channel!
to our channel.
Mommy?
Hello guys!
Mommy?
Good morning. Yes!
The moon is not red.
Nakita siya ng moon.
The
The moon is not red.
Yeah, it's very white already.
Yeah, it's white now. It's not red anymore. Only the other night it's red. Yeah? Can you tell Tita and Tita where you're going?
School.
Going to school.
But I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Why?
Because I was so like that.
Don't be scared. Okay, come on, let's go.
Good
Good morning, guys.
I'm gonna see Mary.
Yeah, it is Wednesday and it's early in the morning. So, ang ating baby girl ay papasok. Uy, very dark. Ating baby girl ay papasok sa school. Ayan. And si mami niyo pala today, meron tayong appointment. So, leave na naman ako sa work today. Kasi at 10 o'clock meron akong appointment with my midwife.
Are you going to the office and buy money?
What is it, Nak?
Will you buy money in the office?
Yeah, I'm not going to the office.
Where going?
I'm going to see Tita Nurse. Yeah, we're gonna check baby Celine.
Can you come too?
Huh? You have to go to school.
I don't want to see you.
Hmm? What is that? Come here.
I don't want to see you.
Oh, sorry. But you want to see? What is it?
I want to see the nurse. Can I see a girl nurse?
A girl nurse. Next time, okay? Because babies or anyone, mga kasama hindi pwede doon, guys. Kasi nga at the moment we're on lockdown.
You said you wanna come.
Yeah. Next time, okay? Because the police closed everything, remember? So lockdown kami, guys, diba? Kaya hindi ko masasama si Paris or si Danny Mike. Dapat isa lang yung pupunta. Kaya yun. They're going to check if everything is right. And then, yung result from my glucose test. Kasi,
The nurse house is not closed.
yes, honey. So, last time, nag-glucose test ako. And, I think na-receive na nila yung result. Pero hindi ko pa alam yung resulta. So, we're hoping that it's negative for the gestational diabetes. Ganun.
Mama,
Ubo-ubo.
gonna lie down in the bed?
Yes.
In the nurse bed?
That's right. Like last time. Sinama ko kasi si Paris last time, guys. Naalala
You
niya.
said I was sitting down in the chair.
Yeah, sit down on the chair and then Mama lay down on the bed. And then Tita Nurse check Mommy's tummy. Check baby Celine.
What can I do first?
Yeah, they're just gonna check. So let's go now before we get late. Okay, see you Tita later. Say see you Tita later, Tito.
See ya, Tita, later.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo, guys. It's now 11:30 ng umaga. And kakalabas ko lang from the hospital. Actually, yung pinunta ko dito talaga is yung maternity clinic. Tapos yung maternity clinic nila, nilabas nila from the hospital due to COVID. And yeah, everything is well. I'm very happy kasi as mentioned before, I think that was 2 weeks ago nung pumunta ako dito for my gestational glucose test para sa gestational diabetes. And super glad everything is fine. So wala tayong diabetes, guys, which is really good. We checked the baby. The baby is moving fine. The baby is growing beautifully, sabi ng midwife. And while nandito ako, ay nandito pa pala nakalagay binigyan nila ako ng ganito kasi while nandito ako, I did my vaccines as well. So, my flu vaccine, and then the other one is the whooping cough vaccine na, you know, you have to do it when you're pregnant, like when you're 20 weeks pregnant and above. Then, yeah. So, pumasok ako doon sa, sa hospital talaga. And I've done this. Ayan. So, ito yung sa whooping cough. Ayan. We can probably take this off now. This one is a bit more stingy than the other one, guys. Ayan. Sabi niya, mangangalay nga lang daw yung braso ko. And this is the second one. Kaya sabi ko, can we do it, you know, one each? Kesa naman, you know, dalawang needle sa isang arm. Ayan. So, that's what I've done. Yeah, happy with the results and all, guys. So, the next appointment would be, I think, 31 weeks. Pero, telehealth na daw yun. So, dahil nga sa COVID ngayon, they prefer to just do it over the phone. Yung video call na lang. Kung hindi naman talaga kailangan na pumunta ako dito sa clinic nila. And while I was in there, binigyan nila ako ng ganito. It's a pack, like a mom pack. Binigay daw to ng government. Actually, sabi niya, for ano daw to, pang first time mommy. Sabi niya, is this your first baby? I said, no, it's my second baby. Pero binigay niya sa akin, kasi sabi niya, it's okay, just take it. So, ayan. I'm not sure kung anong laman talaga nito. Sobrang ganito kasi you can use it as your mom bag. Like, anong tawag dito, yung nappy bag. My first aid kit. Okay, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin ang laman. It's very good that the government provide this, no? May mga ice pack. Ano to? Saline. And then teeter yata to. Ayan, super cute to. Meron pa laruan for the baby. Ayan. Sleeping bag. Oh, it's cute. Ayan. Pure Baby. Pure Baby pa yung brand. Sobrang mahal nito, guys. Tingnan niyo. That's why we're very lucky. Privileged talaga yung mga tao na nandito na nakatira sa guys, Australia. The government is really good. From health, yeah, everything. They're just very helpful. Ayan. Kaya nga sabi ko, kung yung sa sister-in-law ko, kung dito yung nangyari sa Australia, kung wala kang dapat ipag-alala about yung mga babayarin and all, kasi the government will handle it all. Sila yung magka-cover talaga sa lahat. So that's why we're very lucky and honored to be, residents of Australia. Speaking of my sister-in-law pala, guys, nilibing na siya kahapon. So yesterday, nag-join na lang ako through video ko. So nung nagmas sa simbahan, nag-video ko ako, ganun, hanggang sa sementeryo, video ko pa rin, hanggang sa nilagay siya sa niya, kung saan siya mamamahinga. Ayan. So yeah, it was a terrible day yesterday, crying and all, but we all have to accept it, slowly, and then yeah, we just have to learn to live life again without her, especially for my kuya. And anyways, we just have to move on, guys. Yeah, next one inside is this, para siyang lampin. Ayan. toothbrush. Ayan. Sobrang dami ay. 10 Little Owls na book. Ayan. Ayan. What else? Victorian Government's Baby Bundle. Yung mga guide and all. For the mommy. Next one is another book, Baby Days. Paddle Hunters. Yan, another book. And then ito is changing mat. Pag lumalabas ka, ganun, kasama mo si baby, tapos change mo yung nappy niya. This one. Ayan, yun lang guys. Tapos dito sa bag na may nakasabi Victoria State Government. Ayan. Thank you, government, for this. And then, ang tawag dito, we heard our baby Celine's heartbeat today. Kasi, may ano yan sila, yung Doppler ba. So, they check the heartbeat and all. Baby Celine is breathing. And your heartbeat is perfect. So, you know what I mean? I know what have been happening for the last few days is very painful, but you know, there are still things that we have to look forward to and be happy about. So it doesn't mean na parang ang tawag dito kasi nasaktan ka kahapon, it doesn't mean na hindi mo na i-appreciate yung mga good things na nangyayari ngayon in the future. Kaya thank you Lord. So that's it. And then, may isa dito, isa pa. Iba naman to siya. Ito yung parang record ko. And got my details and all. And, another stuff for baby. My cream, my nappy, newborn nappy. And, they've got the massage lotion for stretch marks. Ayan. Sorry. Yung mga goodies dito. Oh, and you know what guys? Another thing that I'm happy about is that kasi na-mention niya yung iron ko. Diba? If you've been following my videos, first time na we found out that I'm pregnant, sabi ng doktor na my iron is really low, so I had to take iron supplements. So I did for maybe a week, but then every time that I take the iron supplements, it makes me feel really sick. So what I've done, I had to stop it kasi hindi ko talaga kinaya. But then sabi niya my iron is good again. And sabi niya, are you taking supplements at all? And I said like, no, not anymore, because I was really sick when I was, taking supplements. Well, sabi niya, I've just been eating meat and all. And sabi niya, well, just keep doing what you're doing because it is working. Like everything is looking fine from the iron and everything. So yeah, so far the pregnancy is going really well. So I'm so glad about that. For now, I'm just gonna go home. I actually grabbed some coffee at the the hospital. I'm gonna go home and just relax, and I will see you again later on, guys.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon, and pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl. So, nag-rest si mami niyo today, guys, kasi nga diba off tayo. And then, naglaba din ako, naghang ng mga clothes sa labas, nagtupi ng mga damit. But now, it's time to pick up our baby girl, guys. Tingnan nyo ang ating suot. I couldn't be bothered na mag-change ng ang tawag ito, yung warm ba na pants, kasi madilim na at maginaw na sa labas. So, okay lang yan. Sasakyan na naman tayo. So, So, yan lang yung sinuot natin. And here's our baby girl. Just give you an update. Ayan. Sobrang laki na. So, we are now 29 days, 29 weeks and 4 days. So, magti 30 weeks na tayo. Ayan. And, si Daddy Mike, nakauna ang kanyang heater, guys. He's still working. Nakauna ang kanyang heater. Kasi hello, Daddy. Okay. What is that?
This is the bridge here.
It's a bridge. Come.
I need the food.
Shh, come here.
My the food.
Have a look. They're looking at you, Tita and Tita. Then hello.
Hello.
Come here. We'll talk to Tita and Tita.
Come on. Look at the
Come
food.
on. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Sobrang harap na harap kasi so cold na cold na. Tingnan nyo si Mami din, oh.
Mama, you got
Sobrang
food, Mama.
jacket.
Mama, you got the food.
What are they eating?
They're eating food. Yes.
What food are they eating?
I don't know.
Come on. Come on, go get your bag.
Why you got the rocks?
Get your bag now.
Why you got the rocks?
Get your bag and your water bottle. Where's your water bottle?
I don't know either.
It's in another room.
This way.
Get your bag first.
I want to come out.
Sweetie. We'll get your water bottle after. Come on, get your bag. Please. Go. Good girl. And now we get your water bottle, okay?
Yeah.
You're so beautiful, Annie.
Mama, you first. Ah.
Mm. Mm.
Ah.
Diretso ang kanyang tatay. Meron ka agad ano sa
What's my baby doing? How was school? Maybe Cassie's not there today.
She's moving.
Yeah.
Go, go, touch. I think she's having a hiccup right now, Nak. Kasi parang ugdok-ugdok siya, guys. Like that, Nak, no? Again? Again? Put your hand. Careful. Do you like it? Hmm? Here. She's here.